Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm shopping at the Dollar Tree for things I can use when I build my dioramas and dollhouse makeovers. I haven't been here in a while. All the fall and Halloween stuff is out. I'm pretty sure I have enough Halloween stuff to work with. These dolls are really cute. These are cute too. They're perfect for a nursery or a little kid's bedroom diorama. This is really cute. It's a tea set with a tray and a little cake. The teapot is really cute. The cake, not so much. I like the little teacups as well. What color do you think I should paint them? Tea time! I didn't notice that barbecue until I started editing this video. I really wish I bought it. Maybe next time. I'm just making sure there isn't anything else good for Barbie. Nope. These are cute for kid dioramas as well. Ooh, these are adorable. Little fairies. They're great for gardens or to display on a shelf. A miniature shelf. This is so soft. It's a car cleaning rag. But I think this will make a great bedspread for my Pink Pop apartment diorama. I'll be creating that soon. I have a lot of fabric. I do have some white velvet, I think, but I really like how this one feels. Is that a bathtub? Nope, not for Barbie. I have a lot of shelf paper, but I just want to see if there's anything I don't have. These are great for storing little miniatures, or you can also store little miniatures inside a craft room diorama for Barbie. These canvases are great as wall art, and you can paint them yourself. .3D paint? That's cool. I'm going to take one to try it out. Maybe I can use it to add detail to my crafts. Beads. I have enough beads. Don't do it. This might be handy. Yeah, I can use scissors. I like these vinyl rows, but I don't see any patterns I like. Maybe they'll work as a backsplash? What do you think? Ooh, resin. That's cool. I think I want to try this. Not sure how I'll use it. Can you give me any ideas? I've never used it before. I do have some silicone molds I think I can use with it. There's other stuff to use with resin, but I'm just going to take the resin for now and see how that goes. Ooh, I like velvet yarn, but nope, I don't need any more. And I don't need any more scrapbook paper either. I need to use what I have. But if I see something fabulous and I don't have it, I will take it. This would make a cute pillow, or maybe even an ottoman if you add some legs to it. This caught my eye, and I do have a lot of fabric, but I don't think you could ever have too much fabric. But I did put it back. And then I grabbed it again. Like I said, you can never have too much fabric. I can use this fabric for seat covers or maybe an accent chair. See, I do have a lot of fabric. Scrapbook paper. I do have enough of it, but if I see something fabulous, I'll take it. I didn't say anything fabulous. This is cool, little palettes, but I can make that. I have a lot of craft sticks. This is pretty. I like these little boxes. I can use them as a vanity or a night table. Have you watched my craft room tour video yet? It's on my channel. Check it out. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.